idli, dosa, vada, chutney, sambar. Aren't these the first or maybe the only things that come to your mind when someone says South Indian food? Let me broaden your horizons. Hello and welcome to Mustard Tempered Dreams. I am Neha and today we are taking a trip to God's own country, Kerala, with an epic egg dish called muttacurry or Kerala-style egg curry. This delightfully spicy and coconutty curry elevates those boring eggs to another level. If you like eggs, this muttacurry will make you love them. And if you don't eat eggs, substitute them with some fried potatoes and thank me later. So let's go make some delicious Kerala-style muttacurry, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description below.
First and foremost, let's start by adding about 3 tablespoons of oil into this pan. When the oil becomes hot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 inches of cinnamon sticks, 2 dried red chillies, 8 to 10 curry leaves and 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds. We'll roast the whole spices in the oil till they become fragrant and just about start turning brown. Then we'll add 2 to 3 pinches of Hing or Asafoetida. Next, we'll add a large onion that's sliced lengthwise. We'll saute the onions till they begin to caramelize. As the onions start browning, we'll add 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. We'll saute the grated coconut with the onions till it becomes light brown in color. Make sure to keep mixing as you don't want to burn the coconut. Once the coconut is done, we'll add in half a cup of water to deglaze the pan. Adding water into the hot pan at this time will help us loosen and clean up everything that's stuck to the bottom of the pan. Perfect. Now we'll switch off the heat and let our coconut and onion masala cool down completely.
While our masala is cooling, let's boil the eggs.
Now we'll hard boil 6 eggs. This should take about 12 to 15 minutes. Now that our masala has completely cooled, we'll add it into a blender jar with about half a cup of water and blend it into a smooth paste. Check this out. Our beautiful masala paste for the egg curry is now ready. Before we start making the curry, we'll poke a few holes into our boiled and cooled eggs with a toothpick and set them aside. Now finally, to make our curry, I'm going to heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Next, we'll splutter a teaspoon of mustard seeds and then add some curry leaves and a few pinches of Hing or Asafoetida. We'll give this tempering a quick stir and then add in our masala paste. We'll saute the masala paste for a minute or 2 and then add in the powdered spices. We're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. At this point, you can add in a little bit more chilli powder if required or according to your preference. We'll roast the spices with our masala paste till everything starts to thicken up a little bit. Our masala has come to a nice and thick consistency. Now we'll add in 1 cup of water. We'll mix in the water thoroughly and then add another cup and bring our curry to a boil. As the curry bubbles, we'll add in some salt to taste. We'll now lower the heat, cover the pan and let the curry simmer for about 5 minutes. This curry looks perfect and now it's time to add in our boiled eggs. Gently swirl the eggs around in the curry for a minute and then turn off the heat. Garnish with some fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with some rice or parotas.
So, tasty yum, let's go for it. Wow! Adipoli, that muttacurry is just amazing. Make sure you give this excellent muttacurry a try. And when you do, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Tempered Dreams. See you next week. Bye!